Hi guys, how are you? It's Michelle, and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Um, it's the most challenging thing with this internet. I think every time I think it's working, I get little hiccups, so I apologize ahead of time. This is just a short video um, today, just to keep you in the loop. Working on a new project, loving it. Oh, thank you for those of you who are watching. Appreciate it. And for those of you who catch me later, I appreciate that too. And if you like what you hear, please and thank you for subscribing. So, anyway, today's thought is this. I'm not a Star Wars fan. However, when something that makes a lot of sense is said, I would like to repeat it. You will find that many of the truths we cling to depend greatly on our own point of view. Who's more foolish, the fool or the fool who follows him? Just food for thought. So, anyway, I am so proud of myself. Yesterday, I have been blocking my time in what I do, and I chose yesterday as a event time slot versus a time slot. Okay, let me explain that to you. We can make time slots and we can have it like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hour time slots. But then we have event time slots where we do stuff based on the event and the total completion of the event. So that's what I did yesterday. And the business at hand was my tax preparation. Now, for the last 3 years, I have been having an extension to get my taxes done. So instead of being ready for April 14th, I have been doing it later on, like August or September, whatever. But yesterday, I made it an event block. I got up at my usual 4 o'clock, did my meditation, my personal work on me, and then I challenged the taxes. Now, here's the fun part. I have everything in that I need, but of course, it's not organized. And one of the things I needed most of all was the end of the year's bank balance. And of course, I have a stack of statements that need to be organized and, January done chronologically. And I said to myself, oh my God, I didn't want to do it. But then I said to myself, this is an event block of time. It has to be done. So I went upstairs to my desk, and you are not going to believe this, folks. The first envelope I took up was the envelope with the information I needed. The second one was the next set of information that I needed. And that just blew my mind. So I took everything up, and now I was really motivated to get things done. I got everything, and I kid you not, within 3 hours, I had my taxes all done, um, for my personal and for my business. And I was like, wow, blown away. But at the end of the event, I stuck to my guns. I got it done. And when I sent that email to my CPA saying, you know what, I have everything. I can send it to you now. I'm just waiting for one piece of information. And she writes back and she said, oh, Michelle, we're now online. You don't have to send me an email. Just go to the website and input the information. So I said, okay, thank you. And then I said to myself, oh my God, I just went through all that, got everything in PDF and folders ready to be sent by email. And here I have to go and do it online. So I said, okay, it's still a part of the same event. Let's just do this, get it done. So I took my break for lunch, and then I said, okay, let's do this. And I went online and I looked at it, and I saw the online thing was asking for 21 questions to be answered. And I thought to myself, holy mackerel, I don't want to do this. So being human, I just said, not today, because I just spent, a chunk of time getting everything done. Now I have to just repeat my actions. I was not feeling it. So I signed out. And this morning when I got up, I figured, you know what, let me take a look at this thing. And I looked at it one more time online, and I could have slapped myself in the butt. It was the easiest thing I had to do. 5 minutes or less. All I had to do was upload the files I've already created onto the website, and it was done. And I said to myself, you know, there are times when we need to do things and we find all kinds of excuses, or we're not feeling it, we're not in the mood. And if we just take the time to get beyond the feeling and just do the darn thing, life could be just bliss. So I got everything done and everything is complete. And you guys have no idea. It's the 19th of February. And the due date for taxes in the US is the 14th of April. I am done. My preparer has them and I'm good to go. I am thrilled. So I just wanted to share that with you. So whenever you have to do something, there are two ways of doing it. You can do a time block related to a time, or you can do an event block, which simply means with the event, you just go, 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 go till it's done. No time limit. You just want to get it done. Whereas with the first instance, the time block, you say to yourself, okay, I'm giving myself 2 hours for this. And when the 2 hours is up, I'm done. It just depends on the urgency of what it is you need to get done. And like I said, give it a shot. I did it, and I am so thrilled and happy I did it. So now I'm back on my regular time blocks for today and doing what I have to do. So I hope your day is going good. I hope the weather is fabulous where you are. Where I am, it's been a lot of wind and flooding, crazy weather. Mother Nature is not happy. What can I say? I just hope you're safe nonetheless. So take care, and I will be in touch soon. And yeah, try to get your taxes all done before the 14th of April. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys. Thanks again for being here.